Hey guys, Eli here, and on today's video I want to talk about the price of silver and gold falling within the past week. And to be honest with you, if you have a silver and gold portfolio, chances are you took the hit. And depending on how much you have, you took the big hit. And that's what I want to talk about, starting now. Guys, thank you so much for watching another video from Urban Lifestyle. If this is your first time, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos, and comment something down in the comments below. And if you guys want to join the Urban Wealth Creation Discord and also finding some awesome free resources, make sure you guys check down in the description below. So to be honest with you, this video is not to talk about why the prices of gold and silver are falling, even though we may go into a little bit of the details on that. I just want to go over the mindset of buying gold and silver. Now, the reason I've always said this, the reason I'm actually buying gold and silver right now is to protect my wealth, or to protect the money. All right, we all know inflation is killing the dollar right now, or it's going to kill the dollar in the future. All right, the money that we had back then, I said this so many times, the money that we had back then is not worth the same amount of value as the money we have today. So they're going to keep on adding more money into circulation. We already had $2 trillion stimulus package, and we're talking about a second one coming, maybe, possibly, who knows. But of course, there's going to be a lot more money added to circulation. And of course, we all know the more money we have in circulation, I've said this over and over again, I sound like a broken record, I know, but bear with me here. The more money we have in circulation, the less value that the money will have. So that's the main reason. Now, if you're out there and you're like, oh yeah, man, I'm buying gold and silver, everybody's talking about, everybody's making money buying gold and silver, I feel that's the one of the worst attitudes to have when it comes to buying, because you're not buying gold and silver, and as soon as the prices go up, you started buying. I mean, yeah, you can get lucky, but at the same time, a lot of people had that mentality back in August when everything was euphoric and silver prices was at $30, gold prices was at $2,000, and everybody was buying gold and silver. And then silver prices is at $22 right now, and gold prices is around $1,700 right now. So of course, needless to say, if you were buying the hype back in August, your portfolio right now is down, versus somebody like me or tons of other people in the community who bought silver when it was at $13, who bought silver when it was at $14, who bought silver when it was at $15, and still have the same amount of silver that they had, and they're not selling. All right, it's two different mindset. One mindset is, hey, I want to make money. I don't want to miss out. Silver's making money. It's like the Bitcoin. I want to go over there and start buying a whole bunch of silver and gold. Versus, hey, you know what? Hey, I know something for a fact is silver and gold is going to be worth way more in the future. So I might as well get in right now to protect the current value. I can either save that money, or I can put that money into gold and silver. Now, you save that money, is going to be eaten up by devaluation. If you put it into gold and silver, that money is going to start working for you and keeping up with the value of the dollar. All right, so if the value of the dollar goes lower, it's going to take more dollars to buy that gold and silver in the future. But if you buy it right now, then it doesn't matter, you got it already. All right, so that's the whole point of buying. All right, it's a hedge against inflation. A lot of people may say, no, it's not. That's just BS. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, let's just keep it on. That's just BS. It doesn't protect you from inflation. Honestly, let's go. It's proven. It's something that's fact. That's like me saying, all right, hey, my skin color is not black. Is green, right? But you clearly see, yeah, I'm African American, so my skin color is black. All right, well, technically speaking, you might say, oh no, that's not black. Black is black. This is black. Of course, I understand. Cool. That's not the whole point. The thing is, gold at one point was worth $20. At one point, it was worth $20. Inflation came up and ate that $20 up. Then gold became $300. In early 2000s, it was $300. Now it's close to $2,000. All right, and what you could have bought with that $20 when it was worth $20, you could probably you can't even buy that with $20 today in today's money. All right, so when people say, hey, it doesn't protect you against inflation, like, miss me with that. All right, and that's just my 2 cents on that. Now, of course, we have a whole bunch of news coming out. Vaccine came out, and everybody's like, okay, cool. They're feeling hopes to get back to normal. They want to get back to normal, okay? Now, these are the people that was like, oh man, everything's going down. It's time to buy gold and silver because we don't know what's going to happen. So let's buy gold and silver. They see it as a protection against the dollar. Now they're seeing that, okay, everything is going back to normal. And let me sell the gold and silver. Let me sell it off. And you really got to think about it. There's a domino effect happening, all right? Economy shuts down. Everybody's like, okay, let's start buying gold and silver. Let's go ahead and just start rushing into the gold and silver market. Other people seeing that, oh man, the price of gold and silver is going up. So let me go buy. Right? And then now, oh man, it's going back down. All right, let's just sell. Man, look. The market is going up though. So let's sell the gold, let's sell the silver and put it into the markets. So we can see a trickle down effect when it comes to the prices as far as the gold and silver when you compare it to the markets right now. Okay. But for the people that's in it for the long term, that's like, hey, you know what? Hey, I want to just hold this to protect the value of the money. It's like saving money. It's like an insurance policy, right? You just want it there just in case. And hey, if anything happens, an emergency comes, you have that, you can always cash it out, right? And that's just my whole thing. You have to understand the mindset of the reason to buy gold. Don't just look at it as, hey, I want to make money. Why don't you look at it as, hey, in the future it's going to cost more money to buy this since inflation is going to happen. Why don't I just get it now? And in the future, if I do need the money, let's say 10 years down the line or 30 years down the line, I do need the money. I can necessarily say, hey, it cost me $1,000 to buy this gold, and now it's worth $3,000. I'm not saying 30 years is going to be worth $3,000. Nobody knows that. I'm just saying that same $1,000 that you spent on that gold now, 30 years from now, maybe you can still buy the same $1,000 worth of stuff, but in the world's view, the thing that you're buying is worth $3,000. All right, so the value of $1,000 now may be worth $3,000 in the future. More than likely, I said maybe worth, but no, it's more than likely it's going to be worth that. All right, at some point in time. So protect the dollars, protect yourself, and I see that's the best mindset to have when it comes to gold and silver. Okay, let's look at it this way. Forget the stock market. Yeah, I see the stock market is going up. Everything's all-time high. Let's just take that out right now. What do we have? We have trillions of dollars being added to the circulation, and we possibly may have more trillions of dollars added to circulations. Who knows? We have a lot of people who are out of jobs, and some of those jobs are not coming back. A lot of those jobs are not coming back. So those people that got laid off and they're not returning back to work, they're gonna need to find places to work at. Correct? Well, I mean, it's just basic common sense. All right. Now, a lot of people at the same time are losing trust in the dollar. A lot of people are losing trust in the dollar. So you guys can see something is brewing up, right? Something is brewing up. I can have gold on me, and everywhere around the world is worth something. I can take it to Japan, gold is worth something. I can take it to Russia, gold is worth something. I can take it, and silver, I want to add, I can take it to Haiti, gold and silver is worth something. Anywhere around the world, it's worth something. But a lot of people around the world as well are losing trust in the dollar. That's the reserve currency, they say. But a lot of people are losing trust in that dollar. Even people inside the US are losing trust in the dollar. So you have to look at it future terms, all right? We know all fiat currency at one point in time falls. Basic common sense again. So how long did the US dollar have? The average lifetime for currency is about, I want to say, around 80 to 105 years. That's the average. And man, we're up there in age. We're up there. All right, the US dollar is up there. Let's just say that it's up there. Okay, so I'm just saying, protect it. Just the way you should see it is, hey, I'm buying it, I'm buying gold, I'm buying silver, and I'm just putting it somewhere, not even thinking about it. Not saying, hey, don't take any of these opportunities, because hey, I've been taking opportunities within the stock market and it benefited. But at the same time, it's two different mindsets. It's two different mindsets when it comes to gold and silver and the stock market or other investments. Two separate different mindsets. Okay, when I buy, if I see gold and silver as an insurance policy, I don't go out saying, hey, you know what? I got insurance for my car. I need $10,000 right now. Let me go ahead and crash into something or crash into somebody. That's not how I think. I'm like, hey, if the day ever happens where I do get into an accident, I'm covered. If the day ever happened where, hey, you know what? I do need, let's just say I have it around. Hey, I do need something for an investment. Hey, I may want to get into real estate. Okay, where do I want to pull from? All right, hey, I got this. Let me pull from that. Gold and silver. Or hey man, oh my gosh, I got a health crisis. I have something I got to take care of. Family, such and such. Plenty of times it happened in the past. What happens? I have something I can pull from. Gold and silver. Right? It's just a whole nother layer of defense. And of course, yeah, you have emergency cash, you have all that. It's just added protection, an added layer of protection for anything. And that's the way I like to see gold and silver. Now, of course, there are times where I may buy some gold and silver and, you know, sell or make some profit off it. Speaking of that, you guys can always check UrbanLifestyle.com. Links is down in the description below or somewhere down there, and see what silver I'm offering. You guys can always check that, you know. That's today's sponsor. That's today's video sponsor, by the way. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for listening in. I want to know what you guys think. Make sure you guys leave a thumbs up, comment down below, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. And if you guys want to join the Urban Wealth Creation Discord, links are all down in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a beautiful day.